Hi everyone, this is Katherine, and welcome to Rooted in Design. Today I want to talk about renovating and preserving older homes. There are many homes on Long Island that are from 1920s, 1930s, 1940s that have a lot of character, but also need a facelift and upgrading to really fit our society and how we use the spaces. Something I slightly touched base in a previous episode. So when it comes to renovating and upgrading an older home, you want to be conscious of what elements have value and you might want to keep or use in a different manner. For instance, I worked on a project that the home was over 100 years old or close to it. It's now definitely over 100 years old. And the bones, meaning the structure, was great, amazing. Back then, the wood was stronger. You needed smaller pieces to actually hold all that weight. And when we were adding an addition to it, we wanted to make sure that we kept what was existing because it was in great shape. But at the same time, we wanted to be conscious that the addition didn't look out of place. So extending those little elements of the interior, such as like the detailed molding, the base. The client was very into those older design homes. So we wanted to integrate those wood elements from the existing to the new and making sure that though the floor height and the ceiling was structured differently with bigger pieces, we made it look seamlessly once it was all covered up with the space. Other things to take into account from older homes is that the windows, if you have original windows, they're probably going to need to be replaced ASAP. They're probably single pane. They're running you a higher bill in heating and cooling because they absorb all the heat and cooling during summer and winter. So when you renovate those windows, you want to make sure you're also consulting me about the size of it. Some of them are really unique, and if you don't want to do custom windows, we can adjust the header, the size itself to meet building codes because some of those windows sometimes are not egress compliant. So we can upgrade that and make it even more safe. But also figuring out how to marry that new construction wood with the older one. Little things like that make a big effect, especially the exterior, if we're touching base on that. If you want to keep that older house look, especially if it's like real brick or stone, and you want to keep that aesthetic, and you might just want to make sure we're treating that element correctly. We might not need to just repoint the brick, so like doing the mortar again, so there's no water creeping in and creating issues for you. So it's really assessing the house as a whole of what you want to keep, what we want to preserve and modify, and what to do new. Because you can keep the envelope to still have this old regal look, but the interior, we can open up the spaces and make it this open concept that works for you and your family. And we can marry those structure elements to make sure it still holds and it's long lasting. Hope some of this information was helpful. And again, if you are looking for a property that is older and kind of preserve, renovate, it's your style, reach out to Dream Select Realty. They can definitely help you out with that, and hope to be able to inform you even further on projects like this if you're looking to preserve an existing home. Thank you.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.